Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to log into DXtrade without using a corporate email, step by step. First, open your browser and go to dx.trade, the official DXtrade website. Once you're on the homepage, click Trading Platforms at the top. You'll see several platform options. Choose the one you want. In this example, we'll use DXtrade CFD, which supports crypto as well. After clicking it, you'll be taken to a new page. From here, scroll down and choose Web Trader. Now scroll to the very bottom of the page until you see the button that says Access DXtrade. Click it. This will take you to the registration page where you can request a demo account. You'll now be asked to enter the assets you want to trade and click Next Step. Then you'll reach the contact information section, and here's the problem. DXtrade usually refuses non-corporate emails, meaning Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. won't work. But there's a simple workaround. Open a temporary email generator. I've placed the link in the description. Copy the temporary email from that site, go back to DXtrade form, and paste it into the email field. Fill out the remaining details, then click Create Account. Once your account is created, DXtrade will automatically redirect you to the login page. Your username and password will be sent to the temporary email you used. So go back to your temp mail inbox and you'll see a message containing your login details. Copy the username, copy the password, go back to DXtrade, paste them in, click Login, and you're in. And that's it. That's how you log into DXtrade even without a corporate email. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.